I'm gonna show you how you can lose those excess stubborn fats in your body once and for all in a safe and natural way. No diet pills, no crash diets, no powders, and it doesn't matter if you're a newbie or you've been a health junkie for as long as you can remember. You too can start shedding that ugly fat off your body and make way for a shapely, lean body that you've always wanted. You'll find this to be a very satisfying experience when you start to see the positive changes in your body and discover how not only will you look, but feel younger and more energetic than before. First, let me ask you this. Are you horrified to discover that your metabolism rate and energy level aren't as high as they used to be? Do you easily experience fatigue or body burnout after just one session of training at the gym? Or putting on weight twice as fast as usual at an alarming rate? If your answer is yes to all of the above, then I've got something for you, because what I have here is a game plan on how to burn fats and lose weight the natural and healthy way. And in no time, you'll see just how easy it is to transform your body into a fat-burning machine and be the eye candy of those around you. This might just be the game changer that you've been looking for. Considering that you're tired of spending time and effort working out in the gym, you're frustrated of not being able to find clothes that fit you, you've tried all the tricks in the book, but still no positive results, you're looking for light and easy exercise routines that won't strain your body, you've noticed that your metabolism's taken a steep dive over the years, and there's no better time than now to start turning the tables in your favor. With your permission, I would like to introduce Fat Burn Secrets. This is the go-to master game plan for effectively melting off body fats. Finally, you too can get incredibly shapely hips and thighs and lean toned abs. You'll be the jealousy of your peers with your stunning figure and the envy of those to have set their eyes on you. When you get this game plan, here's what you can look forward to. Learn to choose the right cardio workout that suits the physical endurance of your body. Explore a variety of detox drinks that will surely give your system a good cleanse like never before. Get rid of love handles with Fat Burn Secrets step-by-step exercises, plus much more. At long last, you can start getting fantastic results by making smart food choices and staying active with the right exercise that suits your body endurance. Here's the good news. Getting this game plan won't cost you an arm and a leg. You won't need to be an experienced exerciser or dieter. In fact, if you feel you're a newbie right now, perfect. This blueprint is designed exactly for you. That said, I'll be letting go of the Fat Burn Secrets blueprint for an incredibly special price, but this offer won't last. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the button below to secure your Fat Burn Secrets game plan. I'm also backing my offer with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, or it's your money back for the next 30 days. I'm willing to let this go at such an insanely low price because I want to prove my worth and value to you. So, there you have it. Click now on the order button. Do it today. You'll be glad you did.